How to install OS on MacBook Pro using a USB. First, prepare a USB. Make sure it is 16 gigabytes or a larger USB flash drive, and then connect it to your Mac and make sure it's backed up. This process will erase it. Then format the USB drive. Open up the utility, select your USB drive on the top left, click erase at the top, and then name it something like this right here. Then click on erase to format. Then download macOS installer. Open up the app or go to the Apple official macOS download page. Download the version of the Mac OS you want. It will appear in your applications folder as install macOS. Then you want to create a bootable macOS USB installer. Open up a terminal and then type the following command right here. You can pause right now if you'd like to type it all in. Then press enter and type your Mac login password when asked. Confirm when prompted by typing Y. Wait for the process to finish. This may take several minutes. Then boot MacBook Pro from USB, shut down your Mac, plug in your bootable USB, power it on and then hold the option key immediately after turning it on. When the startup manager appears, use the arrow keys to select the USB driver. Select enter to boot from the USB installer. Then install macOS. Once the macOS installer loads, you'll see a menu. Select disk utility, erase your internal drive if needed, then close disk utility. Then select install macOS and follow the on-screen steps. Then choose your internal drive as the installation target. If this helped you, subscribe.